Do you have sore and tight muscles? If so, you should check out our full body foam rolling routine that you can do in less than 10 minutes. Let's get started. Now we're going to be working through the mid-back. So you're going to sit in front of the foam roller, place it at the base of your shoulder blades, and then put your hands behind your head to support your head. Lift your hips up, and you're going to work from the bottom of your shoulder blades and work up to the mid-back, looking for areas of tenderness. And when you find a tender area, you can hold on that or do small movements and work through that. You may also find that your mid-back might pop and it will loosen up a little bit more, but it shouldn't be painful. And you'll work through this area about 1 to 2 minutes. Now you're going to sit onto the foam roller so we can foam roll through the glutes. You're going to put one hand back, lean to that side, and then you're going to use your feet to go up and down on the foam roller, searching for areas that are tender. When you find a tender area, you can hold on that spot or do small movements. And you can also move your knees left to right to work that area out. If you want more pressure, you can take your foot and cross it over the opposite knee on the side that you're on and move up and down, same thing, looking for those tender areas. You'll work through the area about 1 to 2 minutes and then switch to the other side. If you have any numbness or tingling down the leg when you're on a specific spot, move away from that spot and go to a different area. Now we're going to work through the quads on the foam roller. So you're going to place the foam roller right up against the leg, and then you're going to get your body weight onto the foam roller and come down to your elbows. You're going to hold a plank position and army crawl forward to right above the knees, and then army crawl back to where the foam roller is right below the hips, making sure you keep your core tight so you're not dipping through your low back. Now you're looking for areas of tenderness in this region, and when you find a tender area, you want to hold or do small movements. And we'll do 3 different positions. So we'll go toes down, then we'll rotate our legs outward, so we're more on the inside portion of the thigh, and then you'll rotate your legs inward, so you're more on the outside portion of the thigh. Now, keeping in mind you're working from right below the hips to right above the knees as you search for these tender areas, and you'll work 1 to 2 minutes per section. Now we're going to foam roll through the calf muscles, or the muscles in the back side of your lower leg. So you'll place the foam roller on your calves, and then you're going to raise your body up with your hands, and you're going to roll from right below the back of the knees to right above where the Achilles or the ankle joint is. Now you're looking for tender areas, and we can hold our body up for a little bit, but it can become uncomfortable. So you can sit down when you find an area that's tender, and then use your leg to cross over to work that area out, and then move your foot up and down so you can work that area, or rotate your legs side to side to work it out. You'll work through each calf about 1 to 2 minutes. And if you need some help because of raising your body up, you can move that foam roller over to the side, use your foot to help raise your body up. Find an area that's tender and then hold over the spot. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.